Alright, let's get real for a second. Disasters? They're not just headline news. They could hit you tomorrow, right where you live. That's why I'm diving into the ultimate prepper's book survival guide. Starting with the essentials you need to pack today, not someday. First things first, mindset. Every crisis, big or small, begins with your brain. If you think it'll never happen to you, you're the most vulnerable person in the room. So, start by shaping a survivor's psychology. Look at your world. What are your biggest risks? Fire, flood, blackout. Make a list and rank them. Next, ask yourself, do you shelter in place or get out? That choice could change everything. Your gear, keep it light, keep it right. The first 72 hours are all about food, water, and warmth. For your getaway pack, focus on essentials. Don't overpack, you'll regret it. Family, every person needs a job. Assign roles, make a plan, and don't forget your digital life. Back up your vital records. Even pets need a safety plan. Don't leave them out. Here's your quick start. Build your kit, know your risks, and get your loved ones on board. You can't predict the next crisis, but you can be ready for it. Stick around. I'll show you how to turn prepping from panic to power.